I should get a job. Aminal Hospital looks like a good job. I should try it. Hey guys, me and Kiefer are gonna play Animal Hospital. Considering liking and subscribe. Thank you. Bye. Hey guys, me and Kiefer are gonna play Animal Hospital. I don't wanna buy. Just start.
Work the hospital, you find
If you see the small black mouse again, go rip out the cat poster and get the key. That's just it. If you see, if the cameras are broken and you see a camera monster, try do not zoom in. You can only fix the cameras when you
if I close it, it means there's an animal.
work like a job application.
Someone's going to buy it. Looks like a shark. What kind of animal
We
is
got
that?
we got this chocolate.
I am Pili. Pili. Pili.
Ah! Let's check.
No, that's normal.
Oh yeah, it's always normal. Haha.
If this I don't know, this square thing turns red,
What?
it means if this square thing turns red, you can close the shutters now.
Open the freaking door! Over here, patient.
Okay.
Here, you need to rip this cat poster when Raichu. When the small black mouse comes, you have to go to room 1 and break that thing.
What do you want?
If you give the patient the wrong order, then they'll die. You're good now, Bart.
She got room 1. I'm in room 2.
But what if I'm already in room 1?
I'm in room 2 now.
Great job. Bye bye. Over here. Let's take your DNA. It's so fast. Good.
I'm playing here. I'm swinging.
Dried eyes already need eardrops. They're over here. Yeah. Great.
The doctor is arriving.
Okay, and he just does nothing. He's just useless. If you give the guy if you give the guy a coffee, you know the guy who wants coffee, he's a serial killer, and then he will kill you. And then he will try to kill you. But he will give you a new coffee machine. Just be careful from him. Bye bye. Thank you.
Wait, I can close the shaft. No more, please, first close.
If you see a ghost wandering, try to shoot it and do not get near it, or else it will lose your sanity. Yay, I'm the bitch. And you are the bitch too. Okay, there's
And from the
another.
cameras.
Hold up.
In cameras, he looks normal. Pictures him.
I have an appointment.
Picture him again so you can see his ugly face.
I got you, Arso.
Check the
He just looks normal. That's just it.
I'm playing with the cameras.
Sonia, that is not a toy. And why does your face look like that? Okay, you go. There might be the
I'm the
eye.
one in charge here.
There might it's the creepy eye. The creepy eyes
The
gonna be
blue
there.
cat is back again. Philip, you're back.
Was there a stalker? Did you see the stalker? I need coffee now.
Okay, let's check you in camera.
Dude, do you need coffee? It's your
Um,
Oh, I have to buy coffee.
ah!
Did you not see the stalker, bro?
No,
The Ilir says there's a stalker.
I didn't see that.
It says -10 stalker. Why is there a stalker? I haven't seen it. I guess it's the black tall thingy.
Like a rabbit.
In its herbs.
There's our first anomaly. We had our first anomaly.
I'm at
No, please don't. Okay, she's doing it again. We cannot close the window.
who?
Look, we cannot close the window now. Look.
Oh dear gosh, we're cooked.
Motoko Fathers. What? Their name is Motoko Fathers.
I'm scared.
Can you just please get out? Do you have a brain? Are you
I
brain?
think you need to shoot it, but we can't. But we don't have a gun or a taser, so we're just cooked.
She will not kill us.
It needs eye drops and maple syrup. Okay. Okay, it needs eye drops and maple syrup. I'm so good.
The guys will playing.
What do you need? So did the window banger get in?
No.
Just try to kill it! Do you have a taser or something?
She will go away.
Go get a taser. There might be the taser might be there. I know there's a taser here. Medic, doctor. The doctor's gonna go. It broke.
You know you get away. You just broke our window. That's $1 million. Pay for it.
Get back here, dummy. Get back here, cornball dandy's world lover. Yes, I am a dandy's world fan. Just
Yeah, we can buy now.
guys, we got chocolate. Okay, you go get the chocolate. I'm just
I
gonna go.
found a taser.
You finally found a taser?
No,
Are you gonna buy
it's just a boot.
Yeah, I'm gonna get the boot. Yours is just a chocolate.
Get the boot.
I just want to. Yours is. What is that? The Kiefer! Dude, come back here! What is that? Come back. Did you get the taser? Did you have the taser?
No, I only had the chocolate.
Oh. Dude, don't eat that. You need to eat. That will increase your sanity.
Yeah.
Just don't eat that. You can only eat that if you have super low sanity, like 13% or 7%. You can only eat that.
If we get zero, you die.
Yeah.
Yeah, the guy. So easy.
You forgot to open it, bro.
Ah!
Oh my gosh, there's a broken security camera. Wait, let me fix that. Check the camera.
I already checked.
Go check it if it's ugly.
Okay.
Okay, it's normal. Oh wait.
Room 3.
Okay, let's go. Is there
What is this guy? Does she have the blue? Yes, no, let me check it first.
It's because I bite the... Oh my god, what is that in the fly? What in the world is that? I think it's spreading. How do we get rid of it?
Just clean it. You can clean it.
Dude, I don't have a broom.
That's okay, you can just clean it.
We're just gonna die in here. I'm still a starter. Dude, we literally lost another patient just because you forgot to open the windows.
Okay, I'm going to clean that germ. Ew!
Kill it! Okay, I got medicine, maple syrup. Great. It's okay. Yay, you finally cleaned it, brother!
I used the chocolate. Clean it.
Let's check. Okay, it's normal. Let's talk to him. Okay, room 5.
No guys, so we're playing now.
Lord, not bye. Bye. I am not going in there, Sonyon.
Okay, let me go there.
Dude, the lights are flickering. I'm scared.
Now take the camera. This is normal. Let's take a picture.
This is just a normal
Okay,
guy.
brother, let's go there.
Let me get some coffee. Let
The
me get...
lights aren't flickering.
I remember a few seconds ago it was flickering. How scary.
Is there patients here? Oh, there's one patient.
What did you do?
I killed him.
No, you didn't.
I killed him.
You didn't.
I just killed him.
Dude, let me do it. Let me do it. I'm gonna get the medicine. Oh wait, no, wait. Dude, wait first.
What the f-
I'm gonna break this poster.
Wow.
Bam! We need medkit, ointment,
I got
and
medkit,
I'm gonna get ointment and maple syrup.
but I already got the medicine.
Nah, just ignore.
We just killed.
What have you done? What
I
have you
just
done?
gave him maple syrup.
We are the worst doctors now. We killed a patient.
I told you I killed the patient. I keep saying that it's down.
What have you done? What have you
What's
done?
the chocolate, man?
No, dude, you can't give it to him.
I'm dead. I'm going to.
He has a flu and has headache and flu.
Hey,
Do not even try.
I want to get the green one.
Okay. Hey, he needs medicine. Go get the medicine, or else he'll die again. If we kill 3 patients, then we are gonna die. Okay, let's just leave him alone for a bit and let's go check.
Goodbye.
Oh my gosh, I'm here. I'm sorry. Wait. Let me check the security cameras.
That's normal.
Oh, wait, he's normal. Wait, check his photo. Check the photo.
Normal.
It's normal. Not bad. You literally killed a patient. What have you done?
I just give him the maple syrup. I said I didn't kill him.
I also gave him this maple syrup after he died.
Because we gave him golden maple syrup.
Because we gave it to in the same time. Why do you have a top secret, brother?
Then I kill more.
No, you literally want us to lose, bro.
Check that.
Ah.
Did you
Dude, I just didn't take his blood sample.
help me? I'm sick.
What sanity are you now?
Stomachache, but I need to bandage in my head.
Oh wait, I already got an ointment. Don't worry.
No, don't give me medicine. I'm afraid I'm allergic to it. Let me close the door.
Son!
Oh, there's a gun. Oh, that's cause robot.
Yeah, that's sad. You are so scary.
Okay. I found a black guy there just there. It ran away. There she was standing.
I think that's like a camouflage one. I thought it was finished.
Hey, why did you give me one?
Okay,
Ooh.
go give it. Get it. I said get it.
You make yours.
I have to wait 100 seconds just.
Let me check outside.
Dude, no.
And
What do you mean there's another patient? I thought we're done. Let's go. Sonia, you are not doing that. Come
Yeah.
on, go with me. Go with me. Don't be a scaredy cat.
okay, bro.
Go with me. Let's go. There might be another patient.
Where's the patient?
I thought we're already done here. It's in number 6. Oh dear gosh. No. I am not doing this. Oh my gosh, I'm scared.
I'm scared. This is hard.
Dude, no. Let me do it. Let me do it. Red, yellow, pink.
Blue.
Oh dear gosh, I'm dead. Green. Cyan. Blue.
Blue. I'm scared someone. Let me try it.
Okay. No. Let me do. Green, yellow, pink.
I know
Pink.
it now.
You.
Green, yellow, pink, pink.
Yeah. Green, yellow, pink, pink. Yeah, you do.
Yellow. Pink. Again.
I'm scared.
I closed the door. Scared someone.
Dude, get back. I'm gonna die in here. Let's collect. What he need? What does he need? He needs IV drops, maple syrup, and cough syrup.
Let me go.
Let me get it. Let me get
I
it.
got the maple syrup.
Wait, no, don't get that. No. I'm gonna do it. Or else we'll make another patient die. Don't even try.
Hey, I'm gonna put it on.
No. Oh wait, he also needs maple syrup. Okay, you can give it to him.
There you go. Did you already give him the maple syrup?
No, I already gave him the cough syrup. Go give him the maple syrup.
Want coffee?
The doctor's going. He's coming. Let's go. Dude, that's the wrong way.
Hello, sir. Got some coffee?
No, he doesn't
Or
want.
chocolate?
No, he doesn't want.
Drink.
What do you mean unstable?
He just drinks my coffee. Hey,
Why did you give it to him?
please give me back my coffee. Okay, I'm going to.
Yes, we finally got the taser. We can finally use that to kill entities now.
I don't get the taser.
We already. I got mine's 4. That is really dummy.
-4.
Wait. There's the taser. I'm gonna shock scary people. Hey, he
Yeah, I
looks.
wanna get the
Wait. Don't go in there. Don't go in there. Wait. Oh, wait, there's another taser. You can buy another one.
Where?
Over here at the shop. There's another taser. You can buy it.
Okay.
You can use that if there are scary patients.
I got not
Check.
enough money, but
Wait,
I
let me
only
check.
got 100.
Hold up. Wait. Go check the security. It might he has a deer horn. Anna Lollipop. Anna Lollipop.
This is
Pop. Why can't he die? Yeah, that's what I'm normally. I told you, bro.
this one. I'm getting out of here.
I remember I have money, so I'm just gonna go buy one.
Don't go buy that. I need that, please.
Oh, I also don't have money. Only have 89. How sad. I literally killed a person. I'm so happy.
Let me check the
I killed.
Oh my goodness, they are smiling.
Wait, what? Wait, let me check. He has a mouth. Close the window. Why are there so much anomalies now? Dude, why did you do that? What? Someone is on fire! Put it away.
I put it.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, she needs
Wait. Check.
me.
Okay, they're not suspicious. Let's try check.
Maybe she need this. She need this.
Wait, let's check. Wait, let's check. Okay, he's okay. What do you mean a fire started?
Go there.
I have no fire extinguisher. Oh wait, never mind. I found one.
Where is the fire? Room 8. Wait, I wish I don't kill this. She need this. Hurry up, Samuel.
Close the door. Put it out.
I almost gonna die.
We're gonna die here. Dude, there's a little seconds. Dude, take it out.
Literally take me. The other one.
Oh
I
my
only
gosh.
got 69.
Oh my gosh, I only got 59. You got 69, which means you still have more. Why? Oh my gosh. I'm scared. Is he okay?
What is this guy want?
He needs to go. I need coffee.
Look. She's ice breaker.
What?
Wait, let's check the camera. Camera 1 shut down. It shut down again.
Wait. Let me fix.
No,
Exit. Don't do that. Don't do that ever again. Don't do that. Don't do that, or else he will lose your sanity, bro. Why did you do that? Let's just go. This game is so hard. Why did you do that? Whenever there's a broken camera, don't even do that again, bro. Another fire? Are you kidding me? There's another fire. Dude, help. If there's a broken camera.
Why are you had this flickering? This guy said this flickering, and then he's what number?
It's on number 7.
Wait, madam.
Oh my gosh.
It's already finished.
Oh my gosh, that's so. Oh my gosh, this game is
There's
so hard.
a black I don't know. There's a black map.
Oh wait, it's him again. It's him. Go. Okay, it's him. Hi, hi.
Hello, kid.
Don't worry, he's good. Wait. Let me check if it's anomaly.
Let me check the photo.
Oh wait, he's normal. He's just normal.
It's normal in the photo.
He's also small. He's just small.
Where's your mom, Bobby?
He is just small. He doesn't mean he's not a kid.
Talk.
Thanks. I will be in room 1.
No, be quiet. No, I saw an anomaly. I told you I saw a three-headed.
It's a tree.
Get out, no more. Shut up. Get away.
This game is so hard. I don't know what to do. Well, at least we're just teamwork. Canadian. Okay, what do you mean he is Canadian? What do you mean? Is that even a real disease? Canadian? Okay, he's good. Okay, I'm back, bro. I'm back.
Room 8 cast.
There's fire? Oh wait, no.
No.
Oh my gosh,
There's a patient.
Oh, I think it needs surgery. Don't.
Ew, there's slime. There's goo. And let me check it.
I'm gonna go to room 8. Oh dear gosh, it's surgery.
Susan anomaly.
That's what is bro? What is bro? Okay.
Where's it?
Oh dear gosh, I don't know what to do.
No. Why she look like a fish?
It's
Okay, there's the
animal.
coffee man. What should I do?
Give him coffee. Oh dear gosh, he needs IV drops.
Yes, bro. Your
Scalpel.
name is Barney.
Okay, he needs scalpel.
Please stop. Why is the light flickering?
Transplant. I'm cooked now. Oh my gosh! Scalpel work. Oh dear gosh, she's gonna die. Yes! Oh my gosh, I finally completed the surgery. I finally completed the surgery, bro. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, I was so scared he might gonna die. I was so scared that he might die, bro. That scared me. Don't ever scare me like that. Is that an anomaly? Let me check. Okay, it's not. Let's check the picture. Okay, he's good. Okay, you go. That scared me. I was scared though, dude. I was so scared in that. Why is the lights flickering? What even is wrong?
No, there's another goo.
Let me clean. You go check that patient if it's an anomaly. Good. Oh wait,
Check the camera.
There's a fire again.
Goddess, I hate that fire. Wait first. Let me reach it.
Don't worry, I'm gonna do.
It is out. Oh.
Stop. My sanity is gonna go low.
I'm still 71.
Let's go. Oh my gosh.
Always don't check the camera. Room 1 coffee. Patient in room 1.
Okay, it needs maple syrup. Is that an anomaly? Okay, it is cough syrups and bandage.
I got a taser.
Is that a person? Is that? I need some coffee.
Hey, are you anomaly? I just want to taser you.
Just check if it's not anomaly. Let me check. Okay, he's not anomaly. Go check the picture.
not normally. I'm gonna traumatize you.
No.
Nothing. Philip, you're back?
Oh no, it's the surgery again. I'm gonna do the surgery, gang. Now, don't worry. Over here, Philip. Go in here.
God, there's a broken position.
Go to room 6, Kiefer. Someone needs an X-ray. Go to room 6.
Okay, brother.
Okay, begin. Do not try to kill the patient, Kiefer. Okay,
If
this
I got wrong.
might die. Okay,
Okay,
Ines.
I did it.
Yay, you're so good, Kiefer. You're doing great. Okay, he needs bandage. I'm performing a surgery. Surgeries are one of the worst things to do in real life. Because what do you have to? I have to replace a patient, someone's organs just for them to be alive. I'm gonna die in here. He's gonna die. I told you he's gonna die. There's. Yes! I finally treated the patient. What he need? Oh, he need medicine thermal. Let me get the medicine, Kiefer. It's so scary. Great.
The doctor is...
Oh, I'm
Why
coming.
is the doctor screaming? There's been a huge anomaly attack.
What?
Oh, look, that's the anomaly. I know there's an ambulance coming here.
No, I am going to. I am
I'm gonna
cooked.
help you, brother. Look, wait.
Sanyan, we are. I am now cooked, Sanyan.
I'm gonna help you, I said. Where's the ambulance?
It's coming.
There.
Go!
Yeah,
Get out of there! Get out of there!
Go! Alright, hurry up.
Dude, there's so much. Come on, go help them, Kiefer. Kiefer, help them. Okay,
Wait,
D.
I'm gonna help.
Go to room 3. Go to room 3. I told you, go to room 3.
Here.
A monster! There's a monster, Kiefer. Go to room 5. No, a patient's gonna die.
The patient's gonna die, hurry up.
IV drops. Thermometer.
Hurry up, please.
Ointment.
The patient's gonna die.
You are gonna help that. I am not doing that.
Medicine. Don't get the medicine. Oh my god.